Abby Rose, can you show Mommy where you like to hide? What are you gonna do? Okay. Mommy will close the door. Bye-bye. Aubrey, where are you? Aubrey Rose. Peekaboo! Aubrey Rose, can you say hi? Oh, no? What did Doggy say? What did Doggy say, Aubrey Rose? No? Okay. Not right now. Do they say woof, woof, woof? What you doing? Careful. Good girl. Baby, where's the baby? Okay, bye-bye. Aubrey Rose, where are you? Where are you? I can't see you.